Okay, just got my Haro Racelite Pro Cruiser delivered. Built it up, came in a nice big box. There's a couple of bits I haven't put on just because they're going to be coming apart. Bike complete, weighs 10.55 kilos. That's with the pedals and the brake cable, all that hanging off the bars that I've not fitted. We've got a 4118 gearing down here. Nice cassette hub, cable pulled disc brake on the back with no option for V-brakes. Got this hugely uncomfortable and actually very small plastic seat. I wouldn't want to be coming down hard on that because it's very light and I think I'd probably break it. Decals actually look better in person than they do in the catalogue. Got that fork, loads of space between the front tyre. Kender conversion, 24 by 1.75 tyres. Little low 5¼ inch rise bars. Brakes on the American side, not the European side. All in, just a nice little bike, but I'm not going to be riding it like that. As I've got some very nice shiny bits to go on that probably will put the weight up just a little bit, but should make it ride a lot nicer and just extend the cockpit a little bit with a longer stem, some higher bars. Probably change the forks to my 4.1 thermals, so there's some welding on the underside of these that, well, looks like a child's done it with a stick welder. So yeah, Haro Racelite 24, 2020 model. It's nice. Looking forward to getting out on it.